Imagine a situation where someone is held in custody, but there are serious doubts about the legality of their detention. Perhaps fundamental rights were overlooked, or the process itself was flawed. How can the justice system address such a profound challenge to a person's liberty and ensure that no one is held unlawfully? A habeas corpus petition is justified primarily when an individual is imprisoned or detained in violation of their constitutional rights or other federal laws. It serves as a critical legal tool, often called the Great Writ, allowing a court to review the legality of a person's detention and demand that they either be released or granted a new, fair proceeding. The core reason this petition is justified lies in the fundamental principle of due process and the protection against arbitrary state power. It is a safeguard against unlawful imprisonment, ensuring that the government cannot hold individuals indefinitely without proper legal cause. Specific grounds for justification often include significant errors in the trial process that deprive the person of a fair hearing, such as ineffective assistance of counsel, newly discovered evidence proving actual innocence, or a sentencing error that exceeds legal limits. It also applies if the court that imposed the detention lacked proper jurisdiction, or if the detention itself violates a clear constitutional right. Understanding these grounds means knowing when to consider this powerful legal avenue. Generally, a habeas corpus petition is pursued after all direct appeals of a conviction or sentence have been exhausted in the state court system. It is not meant to be a substitute for an appeal to relitigate issues already decided. Instead, it focuses on grave legal defects that render the detention fundamentally unjust. The bar for success is high, requiring compelling evidence of a constitutional violation that had a substantial and injurious effect on the verdict. This legal instrument has a rich history, tracing its roots back to the Magna Carta in 1215, and is explicitly protected in Article 1 of the United States Constitution. It stands as a vital check on governmental power, reinforcing the idea that no person can be deprived of liberty without lawful justification and proper legal procedure. It ensures that the courts remains the ultimate arbiters of a person's right to freedom, acting as a crucial defense against potential abuses of authority. Ultimately, the availability of habeas corpus means that even after conviction, the justice system provides a final, albeit challenging, pathway to correct profound legal injustices. It underscores our commitment to individual liberty, ensuring that every person has the right to challenge their detention and demand a legal explanation, thereby upholding the integrity and fairness of our constitutional framework.